people, so there is this page on Instagram called I am Nanni. Nanhi, just in Hindi, Nanhi means small, right? So it is so sweet. This the page that is run by the mummy of Nanhi. Uh, it reads that she's a toddler by age but a model by heart. So I just like this. I really appreciate mothers who give their everything to their child. Yeah, I mean, like, dedication. I feel that is the one qualities that sets people apart. So when I came across this profile on Instagram, I remember thinking, wow, yeah, that's one dedicated mommy. So do check it out, people. It's called I am Nanni, and it's on Instagram, and it is a page. The child is a superstar. She's a superstar in the making. She must be hardly 3 years old, I think. But it's adorable, these baby photos or whatever, these photos of small little adorable kids. So it's I am Nanni, and it's on Instagram. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.